How to change your iPhone passcode and Apple ID password. Here's how to change the password on your iPhone. Whether you want to change the passcode you use to unlock your iPhone or your Apple ID password, I'll show you how to do both. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. If you don't see this option, tap Screen Time instead. Next, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down to Passcode and Face ID. If it's set to Don't Allow, change it to Allow. Then go back and turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions if needed. Now return to Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current iPhone passcode. Scroll down and tap Change Passcode. Enter your current passcode again. Now enter your new passcode. By default, your iPhone uses a 6-digit passcode, but you can tap passcode options to choose a 4-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. Confirm your new passcode, and you're done. If you also want to change your Apple ID password, go back to the main settings screen. Tap your Apple account at the top. Next, tap Sign In and Security. Then tap Change Password. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Enter your new Apple ID password, verify it, and tap Change. Your Apple ID password is now updated across all your Apple devices. And that's it. That's how you change both your iPhone passcode and your Apple ID password.